Earlier this week, Premier Jason Kenney said we could expect an end to the mask mandate announced this weekend. And while there was no provincial mandate for vaccinations, some employers did have them. And one Alberta employment lawyer says those fired for it could be entitled to money.
The ones that didn't get vaccinated suffered the price. And unfortunately for the employers, I don't think that they had a legal basis to be terminating employees for not being vaccinated.
Representing those terminated or placed on leave is big business for Canadian employment firms, says Serta, with his Calgary law firm taking on thousands of calls already from those who have lost their jobs due to their employer's own vaccine mandates.
If you're terminated for not having been vaccinated, you're very likely entitled to a severance package. It's not because the government ever forced them to or is forcing them to. So instead, this just gives more credence to the fact that these vaccine mandates were maybe a bit premature.
Early in the pandemic, Premier Jason Kenney's government voted to remove a provision that could compel vaccinations for Albertans. The province's vaccine passport system for businesses was ended earlier this month. Even with the program, Serta says the case against forcing immunization was never strong.
There were a lot of other alternatives available to employers rather than terminating their staff for not being vaccinated. One can think of just, regular testing, working from home. All these options were available.
In Edmonton, Darcy Ropchan, City News.